Within the IRS, since you work with them a lot, are there times where you can head off an IRS audit with using a CPA if they start to investigate you? In other words, is there a process where they say, we're going to audit you, or do they just give you a notice you're being audited?
Typically, they will just send you a notice saying, hey, your 2022 tax return has been selected for audit. These are the areas that we want documentation for: travel and meals, advertising, outside services.
I'd like to help give advice for, legitimate business owners that are legitimately claiming their expenses, but we want to make sure that we're not triggering audits. And so let's go back to the smaller business owners like myself, or like the copywriter that you're talking about. People that are working, they don't necessarily have, like a traditional office that they go to, but they are, giving, entertainment. They're prospecting a lot. So they might do a lot of networking, which could generate a lot of receipts for, evening events and networking events, those types of things. If I didn't have that in my tax returns in the past, and I decided to do a lot more of that now in 2025, are there things that I could do to minimize the risk of an audit?
I don't know that there's things that will necessarily minimize the risk of an audit, but there are certainly things that can be done to shorten an audit, if you will. And we've talked about this in other episodes and whatnot. Document.
Thanks for watching this video. If anything we said hits home and you'd like to learn more about it, please feel free to contact us. Our phone number is 414-325-2040, or you can email John, Jon, at neilgroup.net, or Michelle V at neilgroup.net. Thanks for watching.